Hey, Sean, which of these three creatures like the rain?
I know it isn't me.
So is it the fluffy cat?
That cat doesn't look too happy.
Do you think the bumblebee likes the rain?
I guess it wasn't the bumblebee either.
Do you think the duck likes the rain? Yes, ducks like the rain.
Well, now it looks like this duck agrees with me.